Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your prescription and the pen's expiry. This prevents dosing errors. Once done, bring the pen to room temperature for 30 minutes to reduce injection discomfort and visually inspect the cartridge for cloudiness or particles. Make sure you have a sharps container ready. Next, remove the outer cap, leave the inner cap in place until you prime. You're taking the first action now. Priming ensures the pen delivers accurate amounts when you set the dose. Prime the pen by dialing 2 units and pressing the injection button. Repeat until you see a visible drop at the needle tip, because this clears air and guarantees dose accuracy. Next, rotate the dose selector to the exact number of units prescribed. Make sure the indicator lines up precisely. Choose an injection site on abdomen or thigh, clean it, and hold the pen perpendicular to skin. You'll press and hold the button for the full count to deliver the full amount, so count slowly to 3 or 5 as directed. After inserting the needle, press and hold the injection button for the full recommended hold time. This ensures the entire dose is delivered, otherwise you risk underdosing. Once done, remove the needle and immediately dispose of it into a sharps container and recap only if using a safety cap per instructions. Do not reuse needles. If the pen doesn't deliver or you see no plunger movement, reprime with a new needle and try again. If still faulty, stop using that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.